Welcome to my very first episode of Challenging Myself edition, in which I will be challenged to create anything in a fixed time interval. Sounds interesting, right? So let's get started. Hello guys, it's Ayan Khan. I hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I asked three of my friends to give me the logo challenge by giving the overview of a brand on which they wanted a logo created by me. So I am going to challenge myself by creating three logos in 5 minutes using only Photoshop. Before moving ahead, let me ask you a question. What if a client contacts you for a branded logo with enough reputed brand? Majority of people will directly say no because you are a Photoshop artist and you don't have any experience with Illustrator, which is used to create logos and vector designs. And by saying no, you are leaving money on the table. But in this video, I will show you how you can create amazing and minimal logos easily by using only Photoshop. I am not talking about the logos in which a chrome effect is applied to a brand name. There are tons of examples like this on Google or YouTube. So back to the topic, here are the rules which I have to keep in mind while creating the logos. I can't use any type of stock images for creation of logos. I have to create all the logos by using only Photoshop. I will be only having total 5 minutes for 3 logos. So starting the challenge by taking the topics given by my friends, and make sure you watch the video till end if you want some bonus tips. So here is our very first topic for our challenge. Hello bro, I want a logo for a brand which is mainly focused towards tours and travels. You can keep the name by yourself, and I want a logo bigger in size. As his request of tours and travels logo, I have to make a logo in rectangular shape in order to show landscape or anything related to traveling. One tip I want to give that never use shapes without any calculation. Here I am using a fixed rectangular shape just to make my logo look symmetric. With the help of guides, I am creating a triangle using pen tool. I will fill it using white color on separate layer. By doing this, I will have more control over everything. Now I am duplicating this triangle by holding Alt button and then dragging it on the left side of the rectangle. Repeating same thing on the opposite side also. Now I will drag down our first triangle by holding shift until it doesn't reaches to the bottom of the rectangle. Ta-da! Here our logo is ready. This is how our logo looks after spicing it with a name and a tagline. Hey Ayan, create a logo for an industry of diamond jewelry. They start the process of making ornaments by cutting the diamonds in perfect shape. So I am giving the name to this brand as Creative Cuts. I wish you a very good luck. So let's start creating the logo. I have to keep in mind both brand's name and on what brand is based. Let me check which font will fits perfectly to our logo. Increasing the size little bit, 50 px would be better. Duplicating our K by holding Alt button and then dragging it in the opposite direction. I will flip it horizontally. And here I will try to combine them in order to create a diamond between both of them. Wow, our logo is completed. So here is our second logo ready for Creative Cuts. I want a logo for a brand which provides safety to people. I mean a brand for those who wants highly skilled and trained bodyguards for their own safety. So I will keep the name of this brand as Ninja. In this video, I will try to create a ninja star by using shapes just because our brand's name is Ninja. By using brush tool, I am creating a circle. Creating one more circle of white color on another layer but smaller than the previous one. Now by duplicating it, I will drag the new circle to the left side by holding shift in order to be more precise. Repeating same thing in all the sides of the circle. Now I will push these circles equally in inward direction by using shift and downward key. So here you can see our ninja star is ready. After adding a name and tagline, this is how our logo is looking. Wow, I can't believe I completed this task in less than 5 minutes. This wasn't expected. But as far as I know, you are thinking how I got the ideas for logos like creating a diamond using K and ninja star, etc, etc. So here is your answer. I am practicing this from last 2-3 months. I challenge myself every day to create logos for a brand which doesn't exist. Here are some of them. I would like to say just practice daily creating logos by combining two shapes or fonts or by using different tools to create hidden shapes, etc, etc. There are endless possibilities. You can also take inspiration from Google and Pinterest. The logos which I made in this video were negative space logos, in which logo automatically start creating itself using white space. There are many more type of logos which we can make using Photoshop. So what do you think, should I create more videos on this topic? Let me know in the comment section. If you learned something new from this video, share it to your friends and drop a like after pressing the subscribe button because it would help me to create more and more videos. So that's it for this video. Keep creating and I will see you